Read the highway code. Rule 163.
You gonna cry about it? You bud.
Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel. Just from the first glance of the preview, you can tell that a crazy episode awaits us. Let's not delay it any further and get right into it. Enjoy! Biker came across a Java who already had a broken mirror. By the way he's driving, it's no wonder his mirror is gone.
Holy, are you kidding me?
I never do with you.
Buddy.
Java was too impatient to wait just a couple of more seconds, so instead of that he pulled out in the middle of the intersection and blocked the whole road.
Why? Why? Why? Why? Why? Why?
Okay. The Jezza.
This is what you get for blocking the intersection for this biker. Let's just say that karma paid this driver a nice visit. Biker couldn't let it slide, and it immediately came to a road rage argument.
Que engraçado. Ah, hoje não...
This crazy Java nearly took the biker out, but it didn't end there. Another biker appeared, and a crazy argument unfolded. This argument resulted in a colossal mirror kick. When you want to steal another person's bicycle but fail hard.
Hello. Hi.
Que isso? Machucou? Que isso? Parece que tem som. Nossa, esqueci.
Golden rule. Whenever someone is interested in revving your bike, don't deny him the opportunity to do so.
You wanna do it? Go over.
Biker got pulled over because he didn't have a license plate. It got stolen and he reapplied for a new one. Check out how this encounter went down.
Wonderful. How you doing?
So you placed my cameras on.
Okay.
Breezee, I'm talking to you. You don't have a plate on your bike.
Yeah, I lost it and I actually reported it stolen through you guys. That's what they suggested I do. So I haven't gotten a chance to go get one yet.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license?
I do. Do you mind if I unmount?
You're good. No butt, no guns, knives.
No, not today.
Okay. Insurance and registration.
Yeah, absolutely.
If you want to, can you grab that?
Yeah, it's in my backpack.
Okay.
Cool. You know, actually, I don't have it. I'm sorry.
Okay.
It's all fully legal, registered, insured, everything.
The other thing is when that light turns yellow, probably should be stopping for it, not speeding up and going through it.
Okay. Sorry about that.
Okay. You need to get that taken care of.
I will.
Otherwise, you're going to start getting citations for it.
Okay. No, I definitely
You
will.
also need to make sure you're carrying your proof of insurance, whether it's on your phone or whether it's a hard copy. You gotta have it on there with you, okay?
Okay, I definitely will.
Okay.
All right, we're good?
Yep, you're
All right.
As the biker tried to merge onto the road, this driver had some other plans for him. It almost came to a crash, and it would have been really bad for the biker if it happened because of the driver's speed.
Oradan çıkılır mı öyle? Oradan çıkılır mı? İnsan bir görüyorsunuz ama. Ayıp ya.
Van driver honked at the cyclist to move over, even though there was no need for that, because the cyclist's positioning was perfect. He was just upset that someone else was sharing the road with him, and of course, it came to a road rage argument.
No, mate. We're in the cycle
Read
lane.
the highway code.
We're right over the
Rule
cycle
163.
lane.
Read it.
If there's anything worse than a reckless driver in traffic, it's a reckless driver who uses his phone.
Put your phone down. A
huge portion of the road up ahead was flooded, and not many people would even consider attempting to go through. Well, this biker is not one of those people. Check out how his adventure through flooded area went down.
Oh, this truck behind me better give me a minute. No guts, no glory, that's what they say, right? I'm not up to my running boards at all.
You really need next level bravery to attempt something like this on a bike.
Ooh, the road kinda took me. Getting my feet wet now though. Not because they're underwater, because it's splashing.
No guts, no glory, that's what they say, eh? This definitely applies to this biker here. He dared to overcome this obstacle, and he was persistent enough until he came out victorious. Much respect to this biker. On top of getting wet from the rain, his destiny had more bad plans in store. Check out how this ruthless driver splashed the biker some more. You know, just in case.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you.
It is said that magpies are really territorial birds, and this video just proves it. Poor postman was just doing his job, but he was at the wrong place and at the wrong time in this area.
Bloody birds up him every day.
I'd motorbike on the car on him, on the bike.
As if magpie problem was not enough, there was a dog barking at the postman as well, but luckily the dog was on a leash and couldn't assault him directly.
They certainly are.
Even though bikers are allowed to ride in a bus lane, this bus driver still disliked the idea, and he nearly caused an accident.
Jesus Christ! Idiot!
One slight moment of not paying attention and this biker almost ended up with severe injuries. Don't be speeding on the roads and watch out for the flow of traffic, people. What is this pedestrian doing in the middle of the road during the night? He's trying to get himself hurt. It's not the end when it comes to crazy encounters for this biker. Another crazy driver cut him off and almost hit him as well. This lady noticed the biker approaching, and yet she still pulled out in front of him and nearly caused an accident. This made the biker really upset as he revved his engine. This driver slowly pulled out in front of fast-pacing traffic. Driver made such a foolish maneuver that the biker was forced to slam his brakes. You can hear his tires squeak.
Good.
And with this clip, we come to a conclusion of yet another epic episode on Maxi channel. I hope you enjoyed in it and managed to learn a thing or two from these people's mistakes. If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, because it helps this channel grow. Also, I'd like to take a moment to thank you guys for your constant support up until this point. Without you, none of this would even be possible. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.